Even though 2021 was a crazy year and we were beginning our new adventures on the road, we had purchased tickets in the summer to fly down to Florida and visit Brian's brother Dan in Fort Myers. Downtown Fort Myers is a foodie haven, and it was really right up our alley. We loved every bit of it. Brian's heading to the pool.
Head now.
Heading to the pool.
Let's go. Rubber ducky.
Talking about my bad haircut I got. Had to go buy me a hat and hide it. Dang, it's bad.
Heading to the beach this morning.
That's right.
Just gonna take a walk, just to look. No swimming.
Hope everybody back home is safe.
Yeah, massive tornadoes last night.
Mercy.
Woo! We rented a car and took a side trip to Tampa. We were able to visit Caladesi Island, which I had visited many years ago and wanted Brian to experience.
We're fixing to go surfing and go hang 20.
We are down here at Fort Myers Beach. We're meeting a couple that Brian used to play music with, Dale, and they have a 40-foot sailboat. They sold everything like we did and they moved on to their boat, and we're going to visit them. It's gonna be fun.
TV on, and you got the one of the heaters running, you know, instead of the furnace.
You get hooked up to a 50 amp service. Hey, we made it!
That smell. I really would like to get a job at a marina. I see him head out there and it's like,
Just left the boat. How was it?
It was awesome. It was freaking awesome.
And
great host and hostess.
Thank you, Dale and Lisa, for taking care of us on the boat. And boy, this place is hopping at night. Oh my, is this ever good? Thank you, Diane. You're welcome. Beautiful dock here by where Brian's brother lives.
Look right up there, or no, there. Those are all screened in.
Screened in.
Barred up patios, big patios.
Yeah.
They got living room furniture in that one there. Look at that on the 3rd floor. They got stuff hanging on the walls. There's a chimney out there that I could see all the way to the right, it looks like. No.
I don't know.
And there's a lot of steps in Fort Myers.
They should have one of those chairs. What's that?
Say he ain't got a beard no more, has you, my baby? How's your mama? Oh, you was protecting. You mess with my own, and I will get you. Hush, my buddy. So I thought he'd be worked up more, but I think he didn't see that.
Well, we've hit the road once again.
Going through Paducah, Kentucky right now.
Yep, we're heading south for warmer weather to work down in Florida for the next few months, and
Moose is excited. He can't contain himself back there.
he's sleeping. That's what he always does when we're over 30 miles an hour. When we purchased our tickets to visit Brian's brother back in the summer, we had no idea we would be going down to Florida to work. But here we were on our way down, so we decided to stop in Tennessee to visit my cousin Mindy and her husband Gordon. We had a great time. We are so there.
Oh my gosh.
Rush Hour Atlanta. Yay. We're here at Blue Way RV Resort and Campground. This is where we'll be staying till not the end of April, May 1st. Our contract to work here is through then, and so we'll be here. Pretty little park. Well, it's not so little. Sitting out here on our little patio, it's a concrete pad. Can't see very well. Enjoying your Christmas candy.
Oh my God, it's awesome.
Brian's really digging it. That's good stuff, man.
That's the best homemade candy I've ever had.
Thank you, Mindy.
Yeah.
Heading to the dog beach this morning on Christmas Eve.
Who'd have thought?
It's going to be 80 degrees today. Warmest Christmas we've ever experienced.
Oh yeah.
Some beautiful condos down here. What you think, Moose? Oh, he wants off his. Really? That's why. Oh, funny. How we ended up as work campers at Blue Way RV Village is a really long story, but we're really enjoying it. This was absolutely the warmest Christmas we've ever enjoyed. It's beautiful.
Hey, if you're liking our videos, make sure you paw that like button. Share and subscribe. Go visit our Patreon page. We got a few extra snippets there. You can get me a bone. Happy Tales!